It's a fact. It's a Friday fact. Yeah. A new fact every Friday. Ready, set, go. It's Friday. That's a fact. It's a Friday fact. Yeah. Yeah. Every Friday.
APIs are essential nowadays, enabling different software systems to communicate with each other. Effective API management ensures that these interactions remain seamless, secure, and efficient. However, like any complex system, API management can encounter issues that require troubleshooting and resolution. One common issue developers might face is an error when removing future and used name values from API management. Future and used name values are the keywords, but let me explain a little bit more about this requirement. Understanding the requirement. When managing APIs, name values, often referred to as key value pairs, are used for various configurations, such as setting API keys, configuring endpoints, or defining parameters. Sometimes, these name values become obsolete and need to be removed to maintain a clean and efficient system. However, you might encounter an error preventing the removal of these unused name values, especially when they are linked to existing backend configurations. This error typically happens because a backend configuration still references those name values. The API management system prevents its deletion to avoid breaking any dependencies that might rely on this configuration. The solution to this issue normally involves a two-step process. First, remove the backend configuration that uses the name value. And second, delete the name value itself. Step 1. Remove the backend configuration. Before you can remove the name value, you need to ensure that no backend configurations are using it. Here's how you can do this. Determine which backend configuration is using the name value you want to delete, and navigate to the backend settings in your API management. Carefully review the backend settings to confirm that it can be safely removed without disrupting your API services. Once confirmed, remove the backend configuration. Ensure that the backend removal does not impact other parts of your API infrastructure. Verifying that this backend is truly obsolete or that its functionalities have been migrated elsewhere is important. Step 2. Remove the name value. With the backend configuration removed, you can now proceed to delete the unused name value. Navigate to the section in your API management where name values are managed and find the specific name value that you identified as unused and delete it. In conclusion, removing future and used name values in API management might seem straightforward, but dependencies can complicate the process. You can successfully delete these name values without errors by methodically removing the associated backend configurations. See you next Friday with another Friday Fact.